Good morning, students. As we have completed exercise 6b, today we will start with exercise 6c, and in this we will do the operation of sets. What is operation of sets? There are certain ways to find out the sets. How? First is union of sets. What is union of sets? When two sets are given, like I have given you 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and other set is given, B set, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have to find the union of set. Firstly, the notation for union of set is U. आप कौन सा सिंबल लगाते हो? U. Notations क्या होगी union of set की? U. So if we have to find A union B, how you will have to find it? We have to take all the elements which are in set and in set B combined. A और B में जो भी एलिमेंट है उसको A यूनियन B में कंबाइन करके लिखने हैं. हाउ? 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 10. We will write these elements in the combined which we known as A union B. दोनों सेट को कंबाइन कर दिया, that is A union B. And second operation is intersection of set. Now symbol or notation for this set is opposite U कर दो आप इसको, like this is a symbol of intersection of set. If we have to find A intersection B, now in union we have combined these two sets, but in A intersection B we have to see the elements which are common to both these sets. ये दोनों सेट्स में जो कॉमन एलिमेंट्स है वो आपने सेट में लिखने. What are the common element? 4 and 6, which are in both A and B. So A intersection will be 4 and 6. So union is we have to combine the 2 or 3 sets, and intersection is we have to find the common in these sets. Relating to this topic, we will start our exercise 6C. In question number 1, in this A set is given 2, 4, 6, 8. B set is given 6, 8, 10, 12. And C set is given 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I'm taking the second part, it is given A union C. मतलब आपने A और C के सेट को कंबाइन करना है, पर जो एलिमेंट रिपीट हो रहा है, जो एलिमेंट कॉमन है, उसे एक ही बार ही लेना है. So A is 2, 4, 6. Now in 7, C is also there. We will take it 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is A union C. Similarly, if I take fifth part, A intersection C. A intersection C, we have to see common in both this set. A में और C में कौन सा एलिमेंट कॉमन है? And that is 8. 8 दोनों में आ रहा है. So 8 is in A intersection C. Like this you have to do all the parts. First you have to find A union B. आपने A और B को कंबाइन कर लेना है. B union C में B और C को कंबाइन करना है, पर जो रिपीटिंग एलिमेंट है वो आपने एक ही बार ही लिखना है. Now we will move forward to question number 2. In question number 2, two sets are given P and Q. P set, it is given in set builder form. X is a factor of 18. First we have to find elements of P set. P set के elements क्या होंगे? इन्होंने कहा factor of 18. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. And in Q, it is a factor of 24. Now in Q it is given X such that X is a factor of 24. Now for the Q elements we have to find the factor of 24. आपको मैंने बताया था जब भी फैक्टर फाइंड करने हैं, 1, 24 आपने ले लिया, 2 it is gone with 12, 3, 8, 4, 6, like this. These are the elements of factor of 24. फर्स्ट पार्ट में तो आपको यही कहा है, राइट ईच वन ऑफ पी एंड क्यू इन रोस्टर फॉर्म, वो आपने लिख दी है. इन सेकेंड पार्ट इट इज given find A P union Q. तो आपने इसको कंबाइन करके लिखना है. सो व्हाट विल आर द एलिमेंट विच वी हैव टू टेक? 1 2 3 दोनों में है. 1 2 3. 4 is there, 5 is not there, 6, 7 is not there, then 8, 9, 10 and 11 is not there, then 12, 18, 24. These are the elements of P union Q. In B part we have to find P intersection Q. तो जो elements common है 1 2 3 common है दोनों में, we have taken this. 6 is also common in both this term, we have taken the sixth element also, and further no element is common. So what is P intersection Q? 1 2 3 and 6. Now come to question number 3. In this A set is given the alphabets A, B and C. B is given B, D, E and C is given E, F, G. We have to verify. Verify means आपको prove करना है कि this left hand side is equals to right hand side. Firstly, you will take it left hand side. A union B. So, A union B, we have to combine these two sets. So, what were the elements? A, B, C, D, E. Now, we will move forward with right hand side. B union A. So, what are the elements? B और A को आपने करना है combine. तो सेम वही चीज आएगी. बी डी ई. तो सबसे पहले तो आपने अल्फाबेटिकली लिखना है ए बी सी डी ई. सो व्हेन वी ऑब्जर्व व्हाट वी हैव सीन दैट बोथ दीज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड द एलिमेंट्स आर सेम. सो यू विल राइट इट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल्स टू राइट हैंड साइड. देयरफॉर हैंस प्रूव्ड. Now we will move forward with other part. I am taking the fourth part. It is given A intersection B. A intersection B intersection C equals to A intersection B intersection C. This we have to prove. Again we will take first left hand side. Now see carefully how you will prove it. A intersection B intersection C. Left hand side में आपको ये given है. सबसे पहले आपने फाइंड करना है ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. ए इंटरसेक्शन मतलब कॉमन. कॉमन कौन सा एलिमेंट है ए और बी में? व्हाट इज कॉमन हियर? बी. तो आपने यहां पे लिख देना है बी एलिमेंट कर्ली ब्रैकेट में. देन इंटरसेक्शन सी. सी के एलिमेंट्स क्या है? ई एफ जी. अब इन दोनों सेट्स में, ये दोनों सेट ही हो गए ना आपके, इनमें कोई कॉमन है क्योंकि इन्होंने बीच में साइन दिया है इंटरसेक्शन का. देयर इज नो कॉमन, सो व्हाट यू विल पुट? द साइन ऑफ फाई. सिमिलरली इन द राइट हैंड साइड it is given A intersection B intersection C. Now A intersection, first we will say common in B and C set. B और C का common क्या है? क्योंकि intersection sign है. What is common here? Only element E. And A set is given A B C intersection E set. Oh sorry, this set. Now what is common in both these sets? कोई common है इन दोनों में? क्योंकि intersection पूछा उन्होंने. Nothing is common in this, so again it is 5. जब कोई element common नहीं होता, we will put it 5. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. Hence proved. तो आपने ये चीज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड लेकर प्रूव करनी है. नो वन विल डू इट साइड बाय साइड. आपने अलग अलग शो करना है इसको. सिमिलरली वी विल कम टू द, you will do all the parts yourself. Now I will move forward with question number 4. Now A, B, C, three sets are given in set builder form and you have to convert it into roster form. So first we will see set A. Set A is a multiple of 2 and less than 15. Multiple of 2 लेने हैं पर less than 15. What will that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. 2 का टेबल लिखना है 15 से कम तक. तो 15 से कम तक तो आपके 14 तक ही होंगे. सो 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. नाउ B set. B set it is a multiple of 3. मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 लेना, वो भी 20 से लेस. So write the table of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. So 18 से आगे तो 21 हो जाएगा. That is not, we have to not to take 21 because it is less than 20. Now we will take the C. C is given x such that x is a prime less than 20. 20 से less than prime numbers लेने. First prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, then come 17, 19. These are the prime numbers. ये आपने लिया था multiple of 2 का टेबल लिया था 15 से कम तक का. This set you have taken multiple of 3 less than 20. And in C set you have taken prime numbers less than 20. तो ये तो आपकी होगी rows. Now in question number 4 we have done the sets into the roster form. Now we have to find union and intersection in the second part. If I'm taking second part, A union B. Now union means combining of two sets A and B. So we will combine A and B sets. So how you will take the elements? We have to take in the curly bracket only. Which elements we will take? All the elements, and the one which is repeating we have to take it only once. So 2, then come 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12 is there in both these terms, so we'll take it once. 14, 15 and 18. So we have combined this. Similarly, if we take C part, B union C. In B union C, we have to find the intersection, that is, we have to find the union. It means we have to combine B and C set. B or C set को combine करना है, these two sets. So taking in ascending order only, we will take the elements 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17, 18 and 19. So this is B union C. Now if we will come to the intersection, if I am taking the E part, A intersection C, we have to find intersection, that is we have to find common elements in both these sets. So what are the common elements in A and C? 2 is there in both these set, so 2 is an element. Then which element is common in both these sets? यहाँ पे A और C set में कौन सा element common है? Only 2. There is only 2 which is common in both the sets. So it is 2. If we take F part, B intersection C. Now we will have to find common in B and C set. B और C set में common क्या है? 3 is there. Any other element which is common in both these sets? 6 C set में नहीं आता, 12, 11 ऐसे आपके एक दूसरे में नहीं आते हैं elements. So which is common in both these sets? 3. So 3 is your answer. So like this you have to find union and intersection. So for today you have to complete question number 1 to 4 of 6C exercise and do it neatly in your notebooks. Thank you.